Howdy, folks. Cowboy Carl here, giving you your evening edition, or edition, or however you spell it. Got a news bulletin just came in. Had us a rattler the other night. No, I don't mean a snake. I mean an earthquake. That rhymes, doesn't it? Well, anyway, woke us up, couldn't get back to sleep. It was they called it a 58 number. Oh, maybe it was a 5.8. And the whole house shook around. The dog started barking. Here, come here, Sugar. Oh, hup, hup, hup. Here's Sugar. She's a witness. And well, everything shook. Knocked my wife out of the bed, who's behind the camera right there, and I just started drinking because I figured, well, we're going to be up a while. Anyhow, just reporting out there toward the high desert. Earthquake do happen in the desert. That's Earthquake Cowboy Carl signing off. Talk to you next time.